Have you ever considered how vital memory is in the realm of computing? More importantly, how might one boost this crucial component? Let's delve into the fascinating world of recurrent neural networks, or RNNs, to find out. RNNs are a class of artificial neural networks where connections between nodes form a directed graph along a temporal sequence. This allows them to use their internal state, essentially their memory, to process variable-length sequences of inputs. This unique feature makes them exceptionally well-suited for tasks where context from the past informs the present. Consider the case of financial forecasting, a field that has seen significant advancements thanks to RNNs. In the volatile world of stock markets, predicting future trends based on historical data is a task of paramount importance. This is precisely where the memory of RNNs comes into play. Take the case of a leading financial institution that implemented RNNs to predict stock market trends. By feeding in years of historical market data, the RNN was trained to recognize complex patterns and predict future trends with remarkable accuracy. The institution reported a significant improvement in their predictive capabilities, leading to more informed decision-making and ultimately better financial outcomes. But how exactly did this happen? Well, the RNN, with its internal state acting as a form of memory, could understand the context of the data it was processing. It wasn't just looking at the numbers, it was considering the sequence of those numbers, the patterns they formed over time. It was this ability to remember and learn from the past that enabled it to make accurate predictions about the future. This case study is just one of many that demonstrates the power of RNNs. From speech recognition to natural language processing, from predictive text to music composition, RNNs are leaving their mark across a wide range of industries. To summarize, the key to enhancing memory in computing lies in the unique capabilities of recurrent neural networks. With their ability to process sequences of inputs and use their internal state as a form of memory, RNNs are revolutionizing industries, one sequence at a time. Their successful application in financial forecasting is a testament to their potential, and with ongoing advancements in the field, the possibilities are truly endless. So the next time you think about memory and computing, remember the recurrent neural network, the memory master in the world of artificial neural networks.